Good evening, my friends in America. I hope you are all doing great. College is over for the day, but now I am wondering how I'll get home because it's raining. The rain is falling steadily, and the walk from here to the college gates take about 10 minutes. I'll probably get completely soaked before I even reach my bike. After that, I still have around a 15 minutes to ride home on the bike. So I'll got even better. My college uniform is already getting soaked, and I just hope it does not get run. Anyway, no matter what, let's head home. This is all part of real village life and the daily journey. See you at home. Hi everyone, I'm back home now. I had my meal, stay down to real, relax, and started scrolling through Instagram. That's when I come across many videos about the massive student protests happening across India from Delhi to any other states. Thousands of young people have taken to the streets and the movements has captured the attention of the entire country. The main concern behind this protest is the demand of for a fair and transparent education system. Students believe that competitive exam must is conducted honestly, and if there are arguments of paper leak or other intrigation, they should be investigated thoroughly. And in particular, many students spend year preparing for this exam, so any uniforms can have a serious impact on their future. The protests are calling for accountability, stranger security for examination, and reforms that will prevent such incidents from happening again. They are also asking the government the support the families of students who have suffered tragedies losses connected to this issue. This have also been reports of clashes between protest and police in some places. If anyone either a student or a police officer exited uniformly, or if excuse forces was used, those included should be investigated fairly, and anyone found responsible should be held acceptable under the law. In a democracy, both the right to peaceful protest and the rule of law are equally important. Reports on social media have also discussed political developments related to the protest. As with any major news event, it's important to rely on official announcements and trusted news sources before expecting or starting information. No matter which political party is in power, people hope for a better education system, lower inflation, and police that improve the life of ordinary citizen. Government are the elected to survive the people and listen to public concerns is an essential part of democracy. I sincerely hope this situation is resolved peacefully, that meaningful reforms are introduced, and that students across the country the can focus on achieving their dreams with confidence. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.